How to fix update KB5067036 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with October 2025 cumulative update preview for Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. The first method is fix installation using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Check this box and click on OK. Upon clicking on OK, repair version of the cumulative update preview will be downloaded here in this section. After downloading is completed, restart your computer using the button Restart Now. The update will be installed and the issue will be fixed. The second method you can try is install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. After the Windows update is released, click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will find multiple files here. Find the file compatible with your system and download the file. After downloading, install the update using the file. The next method you can try is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to the video description and copy this command. Right click on Start, select Run, paste the copied command here and click on OK. Windows Update Troubleshooter will open. Click on Advanced, click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions given by the troubleshooter and try to install the update. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands separately. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the command, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If any error still appears, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, find App Readiness in the name, this one. Right click on the service, select Properties. If a startup type is not automatic, change it to automatic. If the service is start, click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness and select Restart. In the same way, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic and click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the service, select Restart. Then look for cryptographic services, this one. Right click on the service, select Properties. The startup type is already automatic and the service status is running. So nothing is needed here. Click on OK. Right click on the cryptographic services and select Restart. In the end, find Windows Update. Right click on this service, select Properties, Startup type is already automatic. If it is not automatic, change it to automatic. The service is running, so here also nothing is needed. Right click on the service, select restart. Close the services window and then check for updates. The next method is run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find both the commands there. Copy the first command, SFC space forward slash SCANNOW, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let it 100% complete. After completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command from the video description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates and try to install it. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. After the preview cumulative update is downloaded, click on Restart Now. If any of the methods doesn't work, perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down to this section, click on select download and select this option, Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now you will have to select the product language. For this, check the language of your system. Click on start, select settings, go to time and language, click on language and region. Windows display language is English United States. Click on choose one, select English United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to the downloads folder or download location. Right click on the downloaded ISO file and select mount. On the open file security warning pop-up, click on open. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Uncheck this box. Unchecking this box will take much less time and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Finally, click on install. Let the installation complete. Your computer will restart multiple times to complete the installation. The cumulative update preview will be also installed along with this installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.